Hello guys, I changed the color of the particular outfit in this picture from this to this to this and to this. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to achieve this. But before that, if this is your first time of seeing this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember to click on the notification bell to know when we post our next video. Let's dive into today's tutorial. Going to do now is to go to Play Store and download Picsart. Yes, Picsart. So I click on Picsart. This is the interface that appears. What I'll do right now is to go to this plus icon, click on it, and go to see all, go to gallery, move to the album where image I want is to be used, and this is it. I want to use the purple color of the clothes, so I click on it, and the image automatically appears in my Picsart canvas. Once it appears, I'll look down the image. There are more tools that can be used on Picsart. I will select the FX effect. Click on FX effects. Another interface pops up. Okay, so we have none, we have color replace, noise blur, and background blur. So as the name implies, I'll click on color replace. Once I click on color replace, a ring color appears. This ring color normally bears the color of outfit of the image you want to change the color. The next step is to drag this circle down to the clothes. I drag it and you see that the clothes automatically changed to another color. This one changed to dark blue. As this gradient slide that pops up, immediately you drag the circle down to the clothes. If you see here, you see replace hue, minimize hue, and maximize hue. I want to use replace hue because it's the color of the outfit I want to change.
So if I drag it to the right, you see that the color of the outfit changes to different color. So moving the replace hue to the right, you see that the color of these clothes is changing to different colors. Then if I drag it to the left too, you see that it's also changing to different colors.
So when I'm done, assuming this is the color I want, I'll just go up here. I'll click the checker icon, then go up here and click on download. See that this image automatically saves to my gallery. So this is how you can simply change the color of any outfit. If you got value, don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to know when we post our next video. Bye.